Alright, what's up guys, Fate here, coming at you with a brand new video. I'm doing a case opening. I've never done that before, but I hope I get something good. With my luck, I'm probably not going to get anything good. But here we go. Shit. Second case. Alright, please give me something good. Please give me something good. I'll take it. P90 chopper. I don't want to check that out. Looks pretty nice. Field tested. Shit. I'm fucking shaking. I'm fucking shaking. No! What the fuck? What? Holy shit! Holy shit! No, that's on my third case, or third gamma case. No fucking way, dude. No fucking way. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. There's no way I just got that. Oh, please stop! Damn it! No, I almost got that fucking M4. Damn it! Oh shit, dude. I can't believe I got that. God, I'm fucking shaking. Alright, well, third gamma case and I get a Karambit lore, so I call that a good day already. Holy shit. I don't even think I can open these right now. I'm shaking so fucking bad. Holy shit, dude. What the fuck? I never have uncased a knife at all. I have the worst luck at all. Cannot believe that. What the fuck? Alright, well, let's hope for some more luck.
Wait, go back to the knife.
Shit. Alright, I'll go back to it. Oh my fucking god. Third case. Oh, that thing looks so sick. I don't even care. It's minimum wear. If it was factory new, I want to see how much it's worth. There's no price yet. No fucking price yet. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, sweet. Alright. God damn. That looks nice. Let me check that out. Oh, I like that. Oh. Hands literally fucking shaking right now. Oh, another log. Sweet. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me another thing. Damn. I'll go in-game with this to check it out at the end of the video. That's pretty awesome drop. I can't believe that. It's a new knife, new Karambit lore. Wow. Wow. Whew. Whew. Alright, I do need to get more keys, but I'm just going through it until I need it. No fucking way I got that third case. I'm still stoked about that. Alright, I'm gonna have to get another key here. Another P90 chopper, that's nice, that's nice. I like that. What is that? Factory new, sweet. Alright. What was this? Minimum layer? Here we go, give me something good, give me something good. Come on, stop, stop. Yes! Yes! Please be factory new. Please be factory new. Oh, battle scar, what? Oh, fuck, dude, that thing looks nice though.
Is that what that one dude on the YouTube video that you showed me earlier?
Who?
Had that gun?
Yeah. Aw, just past red. Hey, please, please, please be factory. Please be factory. Oh my god. Factory new, yes!
How much is that?
I don't know. Right now, 13 bucks, but I just need a new gun. Alright, sweet, sweet. Come on, give me something good. This is chroma case. Alright, we have 2 more of these left, and then I think 2 chroma cases left. Come on, give me something to close with, something really good. Ah, damn it. Alright. So we're gonna do 1 chroma case. One more chroma case, and then I'll close it with 1 gamma case. Okay, so let's just hope for the best on this one. Oh, I'll pass the Chintigo's fire. Okay, okay. And last one. Last one. Give me one of these 3. One of these. Please, 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 please. Damn it. Alright. Bright side, we got a Karambit lore. That thing is awesome looking. Like, I'm so happy I got something like that good. And minimum wear. Oh, god damn, dude, that thing is sexy. Here, go in the game real quick, see what it looks like. Well, that looks pretty dang nice. Holy shit. That's pretty nice too. well, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.